Welcome guys, how are you all? I hope all of you are doing very well. I know there was no video since last 1 week, right? But yeah, today we came back with our new video series, and in this video series it will be a complete series. Okay, now what will be the topic? Well, few days back you must have seen my last video on Harley Davidson exit story, and you must have noticed that in that video I used a video animation. Now I actually realized that video animation is a very unique, innovative and attractive way. Being an MBA student, I used to deal with a lot of PowerPoint presentation, and I realized that if we use those video animation instead of that PowerPoint presentation, then it would be a great fun. I mean, it is really attractive. People will listen to it, people will watch it. Okay, because sometimes the PowerPoint presentation feels very boring and they will take a lot of time, and even I have observed that people tend to forget few of the important points while they are actually delivering the PowerPoint presentation. But I believe in this video animation, it will first of all, it will be visually attractive. Second, the voiceover you will given behind the video animation, it will have a complete information. So I actually personally feel a lot of advantage on that. So that's why I decided to bring this video tutorial series for you guys only, so that you can use it, because I know there are a lot of people who used to deal with PowerPoint presentation in their daily life, or maybe they are video content creator. They might make video on YouTube or Instagram or Facebook or anywhere else, and it will be very useful for them, I believe. So yeah, this will be a complete video series. In the let me tell you which software I will use. The name of the software is Animiz Animaker. It has a paid version, also free version, but I will only show you the free version utilities, not the paid version, because naturally we tend to go with the free version, and if we'll only satisfy with that, then we'll go with the paid version. And there are few features which is not available for the free version, but don't worry, they are enough for this software. They are enough to create attractive video animation. So yeah, let me tell you my plan. My plan, in the initial videos I will show you the features, the small features which this video animation software has, and in the later part I will show you a complete project from the root, how you can make a complete project using this software. And I'm pretty sure that after watching all the videos of this video series, you will definitely learn how to create a beautiful, attractive video animation using Animiz Animaker. Please subscribe our channel. Please like, if you really like our video, please like, it will really help us. And also, if you can, please share our channel, because it is in the growing phase right now, and I hope it will reach to its destination very soon, but I need your help desperately. So bye bye for now. See you in the next video. Bye bye.